It's a hydraulic bench, whatever this is. Because normal masks, they cannot be 100%
obviously. No. But we have demonstrated that it is capable.
So you see the aerodynamics, yeah?
And then everyone was a robot. They sort of fight for death, you know. And hopefully we can break the box with it afterwards.
Student formula, students get to make their own car.
Where to study engineering? If you look up the most in-demand careers online, you'll find that nearly half are tied to engineering in some form. The list of engineering fields is long and varied. If you see yourself in engineering and are wondering where to study it, stay tuned for this video. Today, our colleague Adil from Maryadi are at one of the UK's top research universities, the University of Leicester, known especially for its engineering degrees. In this episode, we're giving you a tour of Leicester's School of Engineering, where we'll explore some of the university's cutting-edge engineering labs, where incredible mechanisms are developed and groundbreaking discoveries take place. Let's get started. Follow along.
This is just one of the engineering labs here.
I love these places, you know, because I'm a gadget man. This is a big gadget. What is it? We need a tour guide, you know. Will, do you know what this is?
I have absolutely no idea.
It's a hydraulic bench, whatever this is.
Yes. So I guess testing water pressures and hydraulics. I don't know if this will simulate that.
Cool. Okay. Maybe it's something to do with like civil engineering. I'm guessing it could be. What is this? Cool.
No, this must be civil engineering.
Civil, yes, it's a water system. Yeah.
Pressures.
By the way, Adil also studied here in the UK and holds 2 bachelor's degrees from a prestigious British university. If you're curious, he'd be happy to share where he studied and his field of expertise at your consultation. For now, though, let's meet one of the University of Leicester students, a future research engineer.
Wow, he's telling me such an interesting story of his life. He's working on a project
That is related to mask project.
Special mask which captures some particles.
Yeah, exactly.
With electricity.
TB bacteria.
Something with magnetism.
It's kind of like that, but it captures the bacteria, TB bacteria, and in specific COVID as well.
Because normal masks, they cannot be 100%.
Yeah, obviously. No. But we have demonstrated that it is capable.
Can you imagine how fascinating this is? Let's follow Babo, our engineering expert, and dive into the thermodynamics lab.
I'm based in, this is thermodynamics lab where you are at the moment. Right in front of that is, you can see mechanics and materials group. And in that corner there is the electrical and electronics lab. It's normally on the 2nd floor and the 3rd floor. And this one is thermodynamics lab. So
is it related to civil engineering? Because we were guessing.
No.
No?
This one is thermodynamics.
Thermodynamics, okay.
Which is related to how if an object is moving through a medium, how the medium and the object interacts together.
Okay.
So
and this is like a wind chamber.
Exactly, that's the wind tunnel, and if you can see that's instead you can see the airplane wing. An airplane wing is simulated in a similar way in this chamber. We put the airplane wing, I think I can show you one of them.
Yeah, go on, show us. So you see the aerodynamics, yeah?
So that's the aerodynamics.
See how it behaves?
Yeah. So that's, you can call it the airfoil. Usually the wing, that's the wingspan, that's the trailing edge of the airplane wing.
Okay.
That's the leading edge. Where's the angle of attack has for the airplane. That's the critical for the liftoff and for the landing of the airplane.
So that's how the plane lands.
That's exactly similar. We put it in there as a prototypes for engineering students to see the results on those prototypes. And we got a bigger.
Can we have a look?
Turbine section there.
Yeah. Show us things.
Well,
what is this?
That's the smaller prototypes for the experimental wind turbine. That's the bigger one.
That's a bigger one. Okay.
So exactly the same principle. We got the wind turbine at the back. That's air is being pushed through. And you see this one, this is the PT tubes.
Okay.
You see these in front of the airplanes. If you see the fuselage of the airplanes, right at the front, there's a PT tubes. So the PT tubes basically gives you the velocity of the, in simple terms, velocity of the airplanes. Or even many other things like pressure, or the pressure, because that's differential pressure basically calculates the relative velocity of the airplane from the ground.
Interesting.
So these sort of things. So this basically we put the wind plane in the middle, or we can put any other object. Because wind is actually the medium,
Of course.
and the object is in the medium. So how it interacts with the medium, and that we can put any other medium like a gas or something else other than air.
Yeah.
We can use that.
Yeah.
Just like we use a water tank, and the water being a medium, and person flowing through that, or an object flowing through that, a submarine or anything like that in practical.
The University of Leicester is a research university, but what exactly does that mean? And how is it different from a regular university? Simply put, in these types of universities across England, the main focus is on research, discoveries, and training the next generation of scientists. Often, graduates from such research universities go on to postgraduate study and may even remain at the university as professional researchers. Many students, especially in their final years, share access to the same laboratories as faculty researchers. For engineering students, this is a huge benefit as they can witness scientific breakthroughs firsthand and learn from experienced professionals in their field. And here now, we have some second-year engineering students.
What are those boys doing? Are they working on the project?
Sorry guys,
So we're on the campus tour and doing some filming. Are you okay to be on camera? Yes. So what is it? What project are you involved in?
This is our second-year robot project.
Robotics.
Robotics.
Cool. So what is it you do? What this robot will be doing?
So the entire year breaks up into sort of groups of like 7 people, and then everyone was a robot, and they sort of fight to the death, you know.
Like those Robo Wars.
It's Robot Wars, yeah, it's Robot Wars. This is
Can you show us? This is obviously project in progress, yeah?
so it's pretty much done.
Yeah, it's pretty much done. We are just finalising it.
Uh-huh.
We've already run several trial testing it, and hopefully we can break the box with it afterwards.
Break the that box.
Yeah,
So
break
that
that box, not
So
this
that box. And what's the weapon then?
It's the spinning blade. Rotates at
I
around
love this
2000
program.
RPM.
You know this program. Do they still run this program? Yeah.
Yes.
It's in America too now as well. So.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. But are there any other teams which you're going to be competing with?
Yeah.
There are 20 teams involved.
20 teams.
Yes.
I wish you best of luck to win.
Thank you.
It's looking fierce.
You're very much.
Right. Thank you, boys.
Meanwhile, in another section of the lab, a different team is working on the very same project.
and this is basically the electrical lab, and they have, I think, these oscilloscopes. I don't know.
Are you working on a project?
Sorry guys, what you call these?
Oh, let me see.
Oscilloscopes?
Oscilloscope, yeah.
Exactly.
That's how I can say.
So
What's your project? So it's
actually,
like
these guys are here for a tour.
We're making a robot. You can have a look at it.
again, robots. Okay.
We're making a fighting. It's going to fight other robots.
We saw your competitors
Yeah, we're not,
earlier. Yeah.
yeah, we might not win. Hopefully we win. Hopefully we win. But yeah, it's good so far.
And so, which weapon is your robot going to be using?
We're using. We've not made it yet, but it's.
You haven't made it yet. What's the idea?
We'll show you what it looks like on the computer.
It's gonna throw those things.
We're not clever enough for that. This is what the.
Okay, let's go have a look.
This is kind of stuff that we put in.
So you have to design it first, okay? Which program do you use for design?
SolidWorks.
SolidWorks.
So if I show you, something's missing here.
Oh, so it's gonna use like a pressure, no?
Kind of. So this will spin an axis.
What will spin?
This piece
This pin will spin.
will kind of go like
Oh
this.
my god.
That's the idea.
Uh-huh.
And then we have 2 pulleys here. I think that will make it go a bit quicker, hopefully. Here we have our wheels. This is kind of like protection from the front.
It's good. Well, good luck.
Thank you very much.
You know, other team are a bit, you're a bit behind.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pressure. Right. Good luck.
Which team do you think stands the best chance of winning? Place your bets in the comments. If you're thinking where to study engineering or any other field in the UK, we at Maryadi would be delighted to help. The University of Leicester is a fantastic choice, but many top-ranking universities across the UK offer similar engineering degrees for prospective students. Each of these universities has its unique strengths and qualities. All insights and differences we know firsthand, as we've personally reviewed each one. To get your consultation, simply follow the link in the description. Our team of experts will reach out, help you make an informed decision, answer your questions, and support you with your application process.
Okay, so thermodynamics laboratory. Okay.
So this is about the materials, how the materials that are used in engines and aeroplane engines, in mechanical automotive industries engines, and even in any machine, some material. So this lab basically has a microscope right there, right in the corner.
So this is like a resistance, yeah, of materials measured here.
Basically, it says how materials are being tested, and when they're being operational in the field, what factors plays their role to operate in such conditions, like in harsher conditions, higher temperature, higher resistance, higher stresses. So which materials are suitable for which conditions? So this is the lab where we test those materials to see if they are as per the recommendations for that specific application.
Okay.
When you see these machines, they are tensile testing machines there, right? 3 of those, 2 of these, and these are 3D printers.
And what do they do? They're just like a
basically we have a printer, but we have a sample that's being tensile tested. So, for example, if I have something, just hold this bottle, you push through from that end, I push through this end.
Okay.
So it breaks apart at that point. So the breaking point of that material is critical to know, and we need to know that, and why it breaks up. Some materials breaks early, some breaks at a later point, but what's the difference? So depending upon that, we set that material for certain applications.
Of course.
Just right in the corner there, you see the aeroplane engine, stating the marks as 1, 2, 3, 4 as the different sections of the engines. So the right front is the fan blades of the engines. The second one is the combustion section, just next to combustion. Third is the turbine, and then the turbine blades at the back as 4. So these are all basically the different sections, spinning shaft in the middle. So each section has different materials. They're not the same. Some are titanium alloys, some are nickel alloys, some are different. And this laboratory where we polish the samples, prepare the samples to look under the microscope.
Polish the samples.
So this is a samples preparation center. And these guys are all, I think, PhD and master students. They're working on different projects to prepare a sample. And this guy is looking under a microscope.
Can we have a look?
How well he has
Is it
prepared.
for me to have a look?
Scratch, mind you, but you can if you like. It's just the beginning of trying to get to micrometers.
They are on a tour of the university looking to different labs.
You're on the campus, so this department, I think, is the most exciting department.
You might be wondering how a first or second year student, just 19 or 20 years old, could handle such complex machinery. Is it safe? In the UK education system, safety is always the top priority. For tasks involving making complex parts on certain machines, students are supported by specialized workshop staff to ensure they work safely and effectively.
So, Baba, which section are you taking us next to?
Well, this is thermodynamics, mechanics and materials that we already, I think, gone through. These 2 right in front, these are the workshop. This is the mechanical workshop where the tools normally for the machine.
Do we have access to it? No? Where are you from originally?
I'm from France and Pakistan.
From France and Pakistan, okay.
Different machines to make tools for the, as per the data.
This is like a milling machine, yeah?
Yeah, exactly, CNC machine.
But this is a 3D
exactly.
milling machine.
We set the code in there in the machine, part is now prepared through machine. Excellent. That's a computer control. Yeah. And these guys work here, and they're really good, and they're hardworking guys.
Hardworking guys, okay.
Yeah.
And what does this machine do?
It's a similar one to that one. It's just
Similar one.
So, yeah, these three here are all kind of similar. They're invented to 3D, third by an x-axis.
And 3D as well. Okay.
Right down there, you've got the layers as well.
I'm guessing this is a quite expensive piece of equipment.
Yeah, I mean, this one's like brand new, very much. It's been built a couple of months ago.
Okay, thank you.
Normally when people come here, students with their projects, they come up with their design things, and they come up like that. They have a sheet that's basically got the design ready.
So you have to make your own design, isn't
and
it?
then they give these designs to these people. They make it using these machines, and then you get the part out of it.
Don't they get to make
Yes,
themselves?
exactly. I think someone put their part here. So this is the part I think they wanted for the projects or whatever.
But do they get to use the machines themselves, students? Supervised?
No, I think they normally, these are the guys who have the license to operate these.
I
else
see.
can. And this is for the first year and second year engineering students. They perform their projects. So they make some machines, they make some parts out of it. And that's pretty.
Okay.
When I was in my first year, I done my last year project at the end of the first year.
Oh,
Basically.
right, okay.
So I think they are the 3D printers. You see this one,
Oh, yeah, 3D printers.
also 3D printers
Yeah.
right on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. And so one of our team members is working here on 3D printers.
The lab at the University of Leicester is absolutely top-notch, but of course, it's far from the only university in the UK with an excellent engineering school. During your consultation, we can provide you with alternative options. Tips on how to contact us can be found in the description below the video.
Do you have a Formula One society here? Not Formula One, this student formula.
Yeah. I think it's at the back. It's at the back of there. But I'm not sure because I didn't work with them. So those guys.
Let's have a peek, if maybe we'll find someone there. But
Okay.
you know what this is?
Yeah.
Student formula.
Yeah, I know that.
Student formula, students get to make their own car.
I've heard about that. Majority of the departments around university know about it.
Okay.
Before I forget, just a quick reminder to check out our other episodes on the University of Leicester once you finish this video. In those, you'll get to see student accommodation, social spaces, the campus itself, and, most importantly, how international students can apply to this one of the top-rated universities.
So, wow, this is your, was it 5th year or 6th year at university?
Finished my PhD here.
Yeah.
So that I'm just pursuing more research work in the same university.
Aerospace, wow, okay.
That's close. I think maybe people have gone for lunch. Maybe, I'm not sure. Because this is the control lab. So whatever the controls, the pilots and the co-pilots and even any other
Like simulators?
Yeah. So how they play, how they operate the navigation system, communication.
That's a
and
pity
everything.
that it's locked.
Yeah, I think it's locked.
Aerospace students.
I was one of that when I was back in 2012. I've been there. That's the Cranfield University.
Do they
And
actually get to fly planes?
Yeah, exactly. No,
Yeah?
not us. We sit at the back, just like passengers, and we have our data sheets to collect data of the airplane when it maneuvers certain aspects of the maneuverability. So we note down those stuff.
So it's not a pilot school. It's for engineers, aerospace engineers.
It's for the avionics. People who tend to go to the pilot studies, they tend to study these stuff.
All right. Okay.
And there you have it, friends. The future is in engineering. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. It would mean a lot to us. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new episodes. I'll be signing off for now. See you soon in the next videos.